Everybody screaming into glowing little suns, trading pieces of themselves for attention, just to feel someone. We built cathedrals out of static, gold crowns made of wires and habits, and somewhere in the chaos we forgot how to sit with silence. I think people are tired, not sleepy, so tired. Tired of pretending they're unbreakable, tired of turning pain into performance, tired of being told every scar needs a slogan, every tear needs a filter, every human heart needs to become content. But I still believe there's something alive in us, buried under all the noise, still beating like a stubborn drum, refusing to die quietly. So when the noise finally stops and the room goes cold, and there's nobody left to impress, nobody left to hold, will you still know who you are? Without the lights, without the war, without the endless need to be more. I hope so. God, I hope so. I think the strongest people in the world are the ones who stay gentle after everything, the ones who could have become monsters but chose mercy instead, the ones who carry grief like burning iron, yet still open doors for strangers, still say I love you first, still try again tomorrow. That's holy to me. Not perfection, not fame, not power, just survival without losing your humanity. Maybe heaven isn't a place, maybe it's a moment. A father hearing his child laugh in the next room, a tired woman finally sleeping peacefully, two broken people choosing honesty over pride, driving home at night with the windows down, feeling alive for exactly 3 minutes. Maybe that's enough. Maybe we were never supposed to become gods. So let the empires rust, let the headlines fade, let the world keep spinning loud and afraid. I'll still believe in small kindnesses and music made from real pain, and people who stay soft in a world that rewards stone. And if anybody hears this, really hears this, I just want them to know you do not have to become cruel to survive. When the noise finally stops, I hope there's still a heart underneath it all.